Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Lautie product that's a pretty cool one I got right over here. The Puffercrash, look at that. Of course comes with the classic stickers and a little bit of an extra ring right over here. And this fella right there. This is from the Spy Wars series. It is a limited edition. This is the Zirc and stainless steel. 300 of these made, $2.99. And that's the Puffercrash. And it's from Lautie. And what is this? This is a very, very interesting clicker. It might be annoying for some. I love it. It's just gorgeous. Let's check it out first, the size, because this is a tiny one, guys. Look at that. We'll have... what is this, like 37 millimeter of length and 23 and 11 for the thickness. But what is it doing? This is just a clicker. Beside the design, it's pretty cool. Blind screws all around. You don't see anything going on. Just these buttons with a pretty peculiar path, like as you can see on both sides. But these are all individual clickers. And when you squeeze them at the same time, yeah, that's the sound it makes. I really hope the mic is capable of picking up the really subtle and pleasant sounds. It really resembles the pluriball, like squishing the multi-ball, the pluriball padding kind of bubble plastic that you use when you ship stuff, and it kind of sound resembles that in the feel, guys. Whew. It's very pleasant. These guys are a little bit sharp, but they add traction, so you really can just click away as much as you want. And there's no way to have this thing silent, completely silent, but still. The weight also very well contained 29.5 grams, so that's not too much. And this guy is a really cool one. It comes with a lanyard hole, as you can see, so you can just keep it on your keychain, and just once in a while it's gonna be in your pocket and just click it away. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.